Hello students, welcome to all of you. Today we are going to start the concept of genes, that is modern concept of genes. So in last period, all of you know that very well, that is the genes are the fragments of DNA, and genes determine the physical as well as physiological characters of the body. But now today we are going to start that is the 2.3 point concept of the genes, that is the cistron. Genes consist of the three kind of unit: cistron, muton, and the recon. So Mendel was the first scientist, while explaining the result of his process, had conceived that there must be a certain particular units which control and transmit the characters from one generation to another, and he called this unit called the factors. Means Mendel, and then after that Mendelian factor given the name genes by the Johnson. But his concept about the hereditary factors was entirely hypothetical, and he remained ignorant about the chemical and physical nature of the hereditary factors. The name gene was first used by the Johnson for these factors as a convenient term. I already explained here the name gene was first used by the Johnson. In using this term, he did not imply any particular theory of the nature of hereditary units. Seymour Benzer in 1955 studied mutations and recombinations in the T4 bacteriophages. Mutations, all of you know that mutation. I already explained mutation in last period. Sudden, accidental, inheritable changes takes place in the genetic makeup of organism, that is called the mutation. And genetic recombination, exchange of genetic characters, means maternal and paternal characters are exchanged. This is the genetic recombinations. So this Seymour Benzer in 1955 described the T4 bacteriophages, mutations and recombinations in the T4 bacteriophages. Bacteriophages means the viruses which attack the bacteria, that is called the bacteriophages. And on the basis of his work, he described the fine structure of gene. He introduced the three terms such as the cistron, recon, and muton. So, cistron are the unit of functions. The segment of DNA molecule which specifies polypeptide chain is called the cistron. The cistron can code for an RNA molecule that is not translated into proteins, that is tRNA and rRNA. Means that plays a very important role. It is a polypeptide chain is called a cistron, and which can code for the RNA molecule but not translated into protein that form the RNA. It has the information for the synthesis of specific proteins or RNA. It is the unit of physiological function. All of you know that during protein synthesis there are the two kinds of event. First one are the transcription and next are the translation. DNA gives rise to messenger RNA. This is the transcription. And RNA gives rise to protein. This is a translation. So it is the unit of the physiological function responsible for the expression of character or trait. It may be several base pair long. Particularly in bacteria E. coli, the cistron may contain about 1500 BP base pair. It is the functional unit of the hereditary information. In certain viruses where RNA is the genetic material, so the length of cistron of nucleotide in RNA is long. The term cistron is commonly equated with gene, since in most cases it is equivalent to the gene. The genetic code is triplet. Means genes are the genetic code is combination of any three nitrogen bases called a triplet, and hence protein consisting of an amino acid. So it is coded by the cistron of the three nucleotides. The cistron starts with initiation codon, which may be AUG or AUG, and ends with termination codon, which may be UAA, UAG, or UGA. Hundreds of the units of mutation, that is unit of mutations are the muton, unit of recombination are the recon, existing within each cistrons, and means it is the longest fragment, it is the longest polypeptide chain, which is cistron therefore occupies the much greater chromosomal length than the muton and recon. Muton are the, its name indicate meaning. Muton are the unit of mutations. Mutations I already explained sudden accidental inheritable changes takes place in the genetic makeup of organism, that is a mutation. So smallest segment of DNA which can undergo mutations is called a muton. It is the unit of the DNA which can change or mutate it and produces the phenotypic trait. Phenotype means externally visible characters of an organism due to the interaction of genes called the phenotype. There are many positions or sites within cistron where mutations can occur. A gene is as a unit of mutation is smaller. It consists of one to few nucleotides. Single nucleotide base pair is in case of the disease sickle cell anemia. The cistron regions of the T4 bacteriophages contain hundreds of the possible mutation sites, that is muton, which are the basic units of the gene mutation. And the Zimmer-Windsor proposed that which muton were not randomly located in the uh, particularly polypeptide region. In a few locations in both cistrons, there were many more mutations. And last unit are the recon, that is a unit of recombination. The segment of the DNA recon means it is the unit that plays a very important for the exchanging of characters or genetic recombination, which is capable of undergoing crossing over and recombination during meiosis, because gametes are produced by the process of meiosis, gametogenesis, and it is a few to many bases pair. It is the smallest unit capable of recombining genetically. Benzer found that at least 500 mutational sites where crossing over is possible. Benzer found that if crossing over occurs within the gene, then by matching two mutants, it is possible to form the normal wild type. And thus, the Benzer calculated that lowest frequency of crossing over was 0.02% only, and also found that crossing over occurs between the two adjacent nucleotides of the DNA. So thus the unit of recombination is much smaller than the unit of function, that is cistron. So cistrons are the largest unit in the modern concept of gene. Then recon and muton are the units in the descending order, where cistron is the largest unit and muton is the smallest unit. Means muton is very important for the mutation. Recon is important for the genetic recombination by the process of crossing over, and cistron is the unit of function which can very important for the process of transcription and translation. So here finish my topic, that is a modern concept of gene. It is by Zimmer-Windsor.